Hey guys, thanks for coming in. What can I get for you today? Oh, hi. Yeah, we'll do an order of fries, an order of wings, and a pizza for the table. Sure thing. I'll be coming right back with that. Oh, wait, and this. Is this a to-go container with food already in it? Yep, that's what I'll be having. I just need you to put it in the microwave back there and heat it up for me. Yeah, I can't just take food that you're giving me and bring it back to our kitchen. That violates like every health service rule, especially since there's a fork already in here. Do you have like a food allergy or a reason why this is happening? No, and I don't need a reason. It's your job to do what I say. I made food last week. I don't want it to go bad. Put it in the microwave. Yeah, this isn't a dining hall. I can either get you food off our menu that you pay for, but I can't bring this in the back. Okay, then I would like to talk to a manager.